Karl Gerstner, lens picture number 16, 1964. Believe it or not, the pattern you are seeing is made by circles, not lines. It's a work of op art, which is short for optical art, and it's supposed to trick your eyes. How did the artist do it? First, Karl Gerstner built a light box. Just like it sounds, he built and painted a box and mounted lights inside of it. Then, he added a convex lens to the front of the box. Convex simply means it curves toward you, like the shape of a ball. The clear plexiglass of the lens is curved just like the lens of your eye. Inside the light box is a series of cards that contain black and white circles printed on them. However, when you view these circles through the lens, it causes them to bend and warp, creating the shapes that you see. There's another surprising effect created by this lens: color. There's no color in this sculpture. The lens is clear, and the cards contain only black and white circles. However, when you move your body while viewing it, a rainbow of colors forms around the edges. That's because the convex lens focuses the light coming from inside the sculpture like a prism, creating the illusion of colors around the edges. See if you can spot them.